Welcome to Spacecraft Guide, the channel that describes how the most complex and historic spacecraft work. In this episode of Spacecraft Guide, we continue with our work on the lunar lander and the making of our new links. And we're going to work on the carbon dioxide caution light. And when you click on this light, it takes you to the carbon dioxide component caution light page. And this light, when it goes on, it indicates that CO2 partial pressure in the suit exceeds 7.6 grams of mercury, or if CO2 canister select valve is set to SEC. Light goes off when the primary canister is replaced with unsaturated canister. CO2 canister select valve is set to primary and CO2 partial pressure is restored to within tolerant condition. If we want to see how this component works, click on the schematic and we see that it uses IR or infrared light, and it puts it through the filter and detects it on the other side. So it sends infrared light through the filter, and what is absorbed is measured by this infrared detector, and that goes into the electronic system. And here comes out the partial pressure to the CO2 indicator, and that determines whether the light comes on or off. If there's enough light that goes through, that means that the filter is still clean, and the partial pressure indicator light will stay off. If there's not enough light that gets through, the infrared detector will tell that the filter is basically dirty and needs to be replaced, and the partial CO2 indicator light will come on. That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page and the link will be down below.